Viewer watching the Grammys every year, I'm always like, what? Literally, every year I'm like, what the f? I always am rooting for my favorite albums.
Yeah.
And I know that people at home feel the same way. And I know that when I win a Grammy one day, people at home are going to be like, man, f that album.
It'll be fun and easy. You know what they say, easy like a goat. Who says that? The goat keepers?
Oh my gosh, I failed.
It's alright, I did too. I got a 60.
I only got a 99.
Brilliant fun. You look so good. What is your secret?
Hair and makeup, people, to make you look good.
Coño.
I love men. I think men are the coolest. But you don't really need them to live. My mom said to me, you know, sweetheart, one day you should settle down and marry a rich man. And I said, Mom, I am a rich man.
That's Isaac Newton.
Look at his hair. He's got a lot of hair. Tell us about Isaac Newton.
Newton discovered the law of gravity. He even worked out a math version of his discovery to predict how the moon, comets, and planets move.
Wow. Okay. And this is who?
Do you know what's funny? I think that's a picture of Robert Hooke.
You're right. It's not funny. You're absolutely right.
But
what's funny is you know all of this stuff. That's what's funny.
But actually, I really can't say for sure because there isn't an exact portrait that exists.
Oh.
His friend, Isaac Newton, either lost the picture or destroyed it.
I see.
Hey, you doing good? You getting some food for your dog?
What the hell you think I'm getting it for, my fucking zebra?
What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s. Messing around with me, you see I'm hot on 500 degrees. Hoodie cut.
Wipe it down. Wipe.
Mama!
Wipe.
Come here! Wipe this. Wipe the mirror. There's something there.
Wipe it down. Wipe.
Hey, listen. I may be single and lonely and sad, but at least nobody cheating on me.
You're a bad thing.
Hey boy, I really wanna see you do you then go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you just look like I need a boy to take it over.
We get it from my mama. We get it from my mama. Yeah. I got
Pretty eyes.
اختي والله النت حلوة.
اوكي احكي.
عيد مبارك.
عيد مبارك وبنحبكم.
Jelly straw challenge. I don't see a flavor, but I'm gonna do the pink one. Okay.
Take me home, I wanna ride. You wanna
لك من المرجيحة.
لا من ريف الشل. لا انا كاتبه امنتكم بالله اقرا لكم. مسويه يوميات. طيب بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. انا فتاة في بداية عمري ومع ذلك ذقت معنى الفراق أكثر من مرة.
يا
فقد فارقت صديقتي الأولى أبرار. بعدين كانت بتكلم عن أبرار. آخر مرة رأيتها فيها كان عمري 10 سنوات. كم عمرك دحين؟ 12؟ وأنا الآن عمري 13. طب قولي آخر مرة قبل 3 سنين. ليش الدراما؟ أستطيع الدفاع عن نفسي وبالرغم عن ذلك كانت تشاركني التوبيخ.
ايش في مرة؟
لقد تعلمت منها حركة رفع الحاجب فقد كانت جميلة عليها.
عندنا إجازة حق العيد 3 أيام. تصدقون 3 أيام يعني واو، ما توقعتهم يعطونا هالكثر. استغربت يا جماعة ليش بس 3 أيام؟ ليش؟ شو سويناكم في حياتنا؟ الناس عندهم 700 شهر إجازة وإحنا 3 أيام. وايد عليكم وايد.
Blackberry, les murs, wall, mur, ripe, mur, murmur, murmure. A ripe blackberry murmurs to the wall. Une murmure murmure au mur.